What's something people don't know about artificial intelligence? It's a phrase that sparks both wonder and worry. The concept of machines that can think, learn, and adapt has fascinated humanity for decades. From science fiction to real-world applications, AI has evolved from a distant dream to an integral part of our daily lives. We live in a world increasingly shaped by algorithms. These invisible forces guide our decisions, recommend our next movie, and even predict our shopping habits. AI is not just a tool, it's becoming a partner in our everyday existence. Our phones recognize our faces. This once futuristic technology is now a standard feature, providing both convenience and security. Facial recognition is just one example of how AI is seamlessly integrated into our lives. Cars can now drive themselves. Autonomous vehicles are no longer a concept of the future. They are being tested and used on roads today. These self-driving cars promise to revolutionize transportation, making it safer and more efficient. These marvels are all driven by AI. From manufacturing robots to smart home assistants, AI is transforming industries and enhancing our quality of life. The potential applications are limitless, and we're only scratching the surface of what AI can achieve. But where did this incredible journey begin? The story of AI is deeply intertwined with the history of computing. Early pioneers laid the groundwork for the sophisticated systems we have today. How did we go from simple tools to machines that mimic the human mind? The evolution of technology is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each breakthrough has brought us closer to creating machines that can think and learn like us. Our exploration takes us back centuries, to the very roots of philosophy. The quest to understand thought and consciousness has been a driving force for philosophers throughout history, and the earliest questions about the nature of thought itself. These ancient inquiries laid the foundation for modern AI as thinkers pondered what it means to think and whether machines could ever replicate this process. Join us now as we embark on a thrilling odyssey, tracing the footsteps of brilliant minds across time. We'll delve into the philosophical debates and scientific discoveries that have shaped our understanding of intelligence. We'll uncover the origins of artificial intelligence and glimpse the extraordinary possibilities that lie ahead. From the early days of computing to the cutting-edge advancements of today, the journey of AI is a story of human curiosity, creativity, and ambition. Together, we'll explore how these thinking machines are poised to transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Welcome everyone to AI Odyssey.
Long before the microchip or the computer, the ancient Greeks pondered the essence of thought. Aristotle, a towering figure of philosophy, developed systems of logic. These systems aimed to codify rational thought, breaking down arguments into their fundamental components. This marked an early attempt to formalize the rules of thinking.
These early inquiries weren't about building thinking machines, yet they laid the groundwork for a fundamental concept in AI: the separation of thought from the physical body. Could thought exist independently, perhaps even within a crafted device? This question would echo through the centuries, fueling the imaginations of future thinkers.
Fast forward to the Renaissance, a period of intellectual ferment. This era was marked by a resurgence of learning, art, and scientific inquiry, a time when the boundaries of human knowledge were being pushed to new limits. Scholars and thinkers gathered in vibrant cities, exchanging ideas and challenging old paradigms. It was a time of great change and innovation, setting the stage for modern science and philosophy. René Descartes, a philosopher and mathematician, who further explored the nature of mind and body. Descartes was a pivotal figure in the history of Western thought, known for his method of doubt and his quest for certainty. He sought to understand the fundamental nature of existence and the relationship between the mind and the physical world. Descartes famously declared, "I think, therefore I am." This statement, known as the cogito, became a foundational element of his philosophy. It encapsulated his belief that the act of thinking was proof of one's existence, a self-evident truth that could not be doubted. He believed the mind was separate from the physical world, a concept known as dualism. According to Descartes, the mind was a non-material entity, distinct from the body and the physical universe. This idea challenged the prevailing materialist views of the time and opened new avenues for understanding human consciousness.
This idea had profound implications for AI. The notion that the mind could be separate from the body suggested that it might be possible to replicate mental processes in a non-biological medium. This laid the groundwork for the development of artificial intelligence, where machines could potentially emulate human thought. If the mind was distinct from the body, could it perhaps be replicated artificially? This question has driven much of the research in AI, as scientists and engineers strive to create machines that can think, learn, and adapt like humans. The dream of artificial intelligence is rooted in the idea that the essence of thought can be captured and reproduced in a machine.
Blaise Pascal, another Renaissance giant, took a more practical approach. Pascal was a mathematician, physicist, and inventor, known for his contributions to probability theory and fluid mechanics. He was also a pioneer in the development of mechanical calculators. He invented the Pascaline, a mechanical calculator considered a precursor to the modern computer. The Pascaline was capable of performing basic arithmetic operations, such as addition and subtraction, using a series of gears and wheels. It was one of the earliest attempts to mechanize calculation, a task that had traditionally been done by hand. This invention hinted at the potential of machines to perform complex calculations, tasks once reserved for the human mind. Pascal's work demonstrated that mechanical devices could be used to automate mathematical processes, paving the way for the development of more advanced computing machines. His contributions were a significant step towards the creation of the modern computer, showing that the power of the human mind could be extended through technology.
The 20th century witnessed the birth of computer science, and with it, the dream of artificial intelligence took a giant leap forward. Alan Turing, a British mathematician and codebreaker, proposed the Turing test. This test, still influential today, aimed to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human.
Turing's work went beyond philosophical inquiry. He laid the theoretical foundation for the modern computer. His vision extended to machines capable of learning and adapting, machines that could, in essence, think.
The year 1956 marked a pivotal moment.
At Dartmouth College, a group of visionary scientists gathered for a summer workshop.
This event, now known as the Dartmouth Workshop, formally established the field of artificial intelligence.
John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, and Nathaniel Rochester were among the key figures who laid out an ambitious research agenda.
The goal was audacious, to explore the possibility of creating machines that could simulate any aspect of human intelligence.
This workshop became a rallying cry, attracting brilliant minds and igniting a wave of research and development. Early triumphs, logic, and language. The decades following the Dartmouth Workshop were a time of great excitement and progress. Early AI programs showcased the potential of this burgeoning field. The Logic Theorist, developed by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon, was a groundbreaking program capable of proving mathematical theorems. It demonstrated the power of computers to perform high-level reasoning tasks. Another landmark program was ELIZA, created by Joseph Weizenbaum. ELIZA simulated a Rogerian psychotherapist, engaging in surprisingly human-like conversations. Though simple by today's standards, ELIZA captivated the public imagination. It hinted at the potential of machines to understand and process human language. Winter's chill AI field in hibernation. Despite early successes, AI research faced significant challenges. The 1970s saw a period known as the AI winter. Progress fell short of the lofty expectations set in the previous decade. Funding dried up as researchers struggled to overcome fundamental limitations in computing power and algorithmic approaches. The AI winter was a time of introspection and reassessment. Researchers realized that creating truly intelligent machines was far more complex than initially anticipated. The limitations of symbolic AI, which relied on explicit rules and representations, became increasingly apparent. The thaw and beyond seeds of a new spring. The AI winter, though a period of slowed progress, did not extinguish the flame of inquiry. Research continued in various labs and universities around the world. New approaches, such as connectionism and machine learning, began to emerge. These approaches focused on training artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain. This period of quiet development laid the groundwork for the resurgence of AI in the late 20th and early 21st centuries. The increasing availability of data, coupled with advances in computing power, breathed new life into the field. A universe of intelligence, the future of AI. In this part of our journey, we delve into the transformative potential of artificial intelligence and its far-reaching implications for our world. Today, AI is experiencing a renaissance. The advancements in machine learning and neural networks have propelled AI into the forefront of technological innovation. Machine learning algorithms power everything from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. These technologies are not just concepts of the future, they are actively shaping our present. The future of AI holds immense promise, with the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. Imagine cities where traffic is autonomously managed, reducing congestion and pollution. In healthcare, AI could lead to breakthroughs in diagnosing diseases early and personalizing treatments to individual genetic profiles, making healthcare more effective and accessible. Yet with this power comes responsibility. The ethical considerations surrounding AI are as important as the technological advancements themselves. As we continue to develop increasingly sophisticated AI systems, we must ensure they are designed and used in ways that are fair, transparent, and accountable. It is crucial to consider the ethical implications. Issues such as bias in AI algorithms, data privacy, and the potential for job displacement need to be addressed proactively. The journey of AI is just beginning. From its early days of simple, rule-based systems to the complex neural networks of today, AI has come a long way. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, the possibilities are endless. We are only scratching the surface of what AI can achieve. We must proceed with both curiosity and caution. The balance between innovation and ethical responsibility will define the future of AI. The future of intelligence, both artificial and human, is ultimately intertwined. Our ability to harness AI's potential while safeguarding human values will shape the trajectory of our society. It is a future we will shape together. By fostering collaboration across disciplines and cultures, we can ensure that AI serves the greater good and enhances the human experience. That brings us to the end of today's video. AI's history is full of ups and downs, moments of optimism followed by setbacks. But as we'll see in the next episode, it was the breakthroughs in machine learning, neural networks, and computing power that would eventually drive AI forward. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next episode in our AI Origins series, where we'll dive into the revival of AI and the rise of machine learning. We will see you in the next video.